This is a female cuckoo, watching another bird's nest, silently from a distance, for the perfect moment. When the host mother leaves to search for food, the cuckoo moves. In few seconds, she lays her own egg in the nest and takes one of hers. The host bird returns, notices nothing wrong. When the eggs start to hatch, the cuckoo chick emerges first, with only one instinct of pushing other eggs out of nest. One by one, the host's eggs are shoved out of the nest. This is known as brood parasitism. The foster mother watches, doesn't stop, has no idea this isn't her own chick. Now only one chick remains in the nest, the cuckoo. It's already growing far bigger than its foster parents. But the bigger it gets, the louder it screams, mimicking the begging call of 4 or 5 hungry chicks at once. The foster mother can't ignore it. She's working around the clock, feeding this one chick. Her real chicks never got the chance to hatch. When this cuckoo grows, it flies away and will never come back. In birds, this is not deception. It's the struggle of survival